Hi everyone, this is your boy Kelvin, and today we are here again to do our calisthenics training. I'm a new beginner, so if I do something and you have more ideas, just put it down on the comment section. All right, so let's do just as a beginner, we are going to do it step by step. Okay, no rush, just step by step because calisthenics training takes a lot of inner strength and energy. So let's see how we are going to do it. I don't have any plans in my mind of what I'm going to do, what I'm going to push myself into. All I know is there's something I want to bring it out. All right, so let's do something. Yeah. Oh, I always believe the pad push up, it's really helpful a lot. So let's see next step. Today I brought my bars here, so I'll be trying something on it. Wow, that's how some of the calisthenics training really takes full of energy from you. So it really takes time, patience, consistency, then you will get there. Like I said, I'm a new beginner, but just that you said I'm a beginner and I'm doing like this. I'm a acrobatic guy, so I do backflip, all kind of things. Yeah, that's why I have a little experience of this handstand calisthenics way. But I just want to improve myself more in the calisthenics way. So I've been learning a lot of calisthenics very long time. So I have a little idea, but I'm not going to say I know. So I'm a still beginner. Okay, so let's do it. Good. Rest. So I will need your tips, all right, at the comment section. And let me know your ideas. Right? Let's try it. Go today. Let's do it again. Pretty good. Let's try something else. Should I? Okay. It's going to be good and tough. That's one. It seems little prettier when you try it on the back, the handspring, but it's really good. Let me see. Let's try the L and then straight to. Ooh. Yes. Okay, let's do it. You know, there is some energy inside you. When you are doing calisthenics, you have to use it. Mm? Holding your strength and leaving it. Pull it until it will get to a time, to my understanding, you can now breathe on that strength before you are using it to struggle. Then later on, it will be easy for you to breathe. Then when you reach that level, then you can now do a lot of things. That's what I believe. So I know it will take time. It will take time, but we will do it. I think my head is down. I have to push the head a little bit. All right. Let's switch it. We are trying all the positions. So later on, we will know and our body will adapt it. I think I have to do it. Forward hand. Oh, doing this, I think 15 days, I believe there will be a big change. So let me see if I can do F, then all the way handstand. More practice. Okay, yeah. Good. Let's do. Come on. Go in, push, in and push. Okay, okay. Now I found. That's, let's do last. I. Woo. Ah. All right, so this is how I finish mine today. Like I said, I'm a new beginner. I'm trying to push in all the routine. So if you have idea, if you have support to a tip to support me, to help me of do it like this, I will be really glad. So let me know your thoughts at the comment section. This is your boy I Kelvin. I'm out.